Hey everybody, Patty Ann here. Hey, I'm going to show you how to use these really cool free patches that Lisa Shaw has included for us. Okay, notice right here it is doing step number 1, which is the outer petals of this freestanding lace. Under this I have Ultra Solvi, a water-soluble stabilizer. I'll have it linked for you down below. This shows that we've already gone through all of the fill stitches, and now it's going to do a column stitch and then a run stitch in between, so there's no jump stitches that you need to trim. A column and then a run. After it goes through and does all of the columns and the runs, it's going to come down to the yellow fill. And then there's going to be a run and the satin border. And if we look up here at the stitch simulator, you'll be able to see how that's going to go. So here is the yellow fill. And the run, and then the satin border. And finally comes the edge stitching over here of the black. This shows the gold or the yellow being stitched out. It's doing the fill, and we'll also finish the run and the satin border. Now it goes onto the edge of the black, and then the eyes, the little smile, and the cheeks. And here we see it stitching out. Step number 4, which is the last step. And again, that is the edge of all of the petals with the black. And then it will do the eyes and the little smiley face and the cheeks. Okay, at this point now the design is finished. With one hand I'm going to take it out, and you'll see how easy it is to remove it from the hoop. Remember, it's utmost important that you use Ultra Solvi water-soluble stabilizer. If you don't use that, what's going to happen is when you're stitching, if you just use the stuff that you use for a topping, it's just going to fall apart while it's trying to stitch because there's so many stitches in it. See how I was able, with the really thick Solvi, to just lift it right out of there. So you do have to be careful. Of course, I could trim the back, and if I'm going to use that for a patch, I can hand sew it on, or I could use some type of a glue. But isn't that adorable? I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for joining me. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell. Also, check out the links down below. I'll show you the Ultra Solvi, some other special links, and where you can get these patches. Bye for now.